Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can simply disable the voice to text feature on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first of all, what is voice to text? So voice to text is a feature that converts your spoken words into written text. Unlike a voice message, the recipient of your text has no indication that you used voice input to compose it. As you can see, when using the message app on your iPhone, you'll notice two microphone icons. One is located at the bottom of the keyboard and another is located next to the text field where you type. Now, both of these icons serve the same purpose, allowing you to dictate the text. However, if you want to disable this feature or remove the microphone icons, you simply need to follow these steps. So simply close the message app and from here open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you have opened the settings app, simply scroll down and tap on general. And once you are in your general section, simply scroll down and select keyboard. Now locate the dictation section and here simply toggle off the enable dictation option and confirm your choice when prompted. And once disabled, both microphone icon will disappear from a messenger app and any other place where you use the keyboard. So this means you will no longer be able to use voice to text feature. But even after disabling voice to text feature, you can still send voice message by tapping on the voice icon shown beside the text field. And that's it. That's how you can disable voice to text feature on your iPhone while still keeping the ability to send voice message. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.